In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Google Drive files to Dropbox in 2025. This process is straightforward, but it's important to pay attention to each step to ensure a smooth transition of your files. So let's dive in. Start by logging into your Google Drive account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar or profile picture there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the settings of your Google account, where we can start organizing the transfer of your data. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs. Click on Data and Privacy. This section is crucial because it contains all the information about the data you've shared across various Google services. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the section titled Data from Apps and Services You Use. Here, you'll find an option labeled Content Saved from Google Services. Click on it to proceed with downloading your Google Drive data. Look for Google Drive in the list and click on the download button. This will initiate the process of selecting the specific data you want to move. Now head over to the advanced settings. Here you'll need to check both boxes that appear. This step is essential for making sure all your data gets transferred properly. After this, simply click OK to confirm your selections. Next, you will come across an option that says All Drive Data Included. Clicking on this allows you to select the specific folders you wish to transfer. Choose carefully, as these are the files and folders that will be moved to Dropbox. Hit OK once you've made your selections. After ensuring everything is set, click on the Next Step button. Now, it's time to choose where your data will go. In the destination drop-down, select Add to Dropbox. This option is specifically designed for seamlessly integrating your Google Drive files with your Dropbox account. Scroll down and click on Link Accounts and create Export. If you're not already logged into your Dropbox account, you'll be prompted to do so. This step is crucial to make sure that your accounts are properly linked for the transfer. Once everything is set, navigate to your Dropbox account and refresh the page. Here, you will find an Apps section. Click on it and your transferred files or folders should be waiting for you there. And that's it. You've successfully moved your files from Google Drive to Dropbox. A practical way to manage your data across different platforms. This method is efficient and helps you keep your important files accessible and organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.